Alright guys, Site 130. We're at the Dune Harbor campground near Silver Lake. We're all set up and ready for the weekend. Yeah.
And look who we got here.
Look who we have here. Look
the best part of Best Today Ever.
Yeah, oh, there you go. Yeah.
So just a simple recap though of what we know as of this moment about our truck is nothing. It is still, as far as we know, it's in North Dakota still. We did get a call from GM earlier this week, but they're just going to give us weekly updates. We're trying to contact them. But yeah, that's where we're at. We're in the sand dunes at Silver Lake.
Yep.
And I think we got some shenanigans going on with the Best Today Ever crew.
Yep.
They brought a couple of Suburbans that are as big as my rig. So, and they're sand, so something's going to happen. So Jeff's over there lowering the pressure of his wheels from 28 pounds to 10 pounds. Apparently some shenanigans are going to happen out in the sand dunes here real soon. Some traction. I call it shenanigans, you call it traction. Nice. We got an ice cream shop on the end. There's a laundromat, and it also has a pool behind it with some water features, a playground. Really nice campground here. Just impressive. Something to come back to. So around here is the pool. Check this out. For the little ones to play in. Nice pool with water features. Big playgrounds. Lots of open grass to play in.
Yeah, I can do one better. Watch this. Don't show everyone that it's only 3 feet.
This is behind the pool, so you see all the open space you have to play games out here. Pretty awesome.
This is a pretty awesome campground.
Plus you're like
2 miles
away from the sand dunes, which I'm sure we're going to hit. We're going there for what do we do? When are we going? We're going tonight, right?
Yeah, we're going to do a sunset, and then they're also just going to ride around the dunes.
all these guys coming up the hill right here. Gonna make it, gotta make it, gonna make it, no! Almost. This big massive hill. Insane.
Gonna scare the kids.
You ready?
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, well, we have had one interesting trip. What up, Asher?
What up?
We just met Asher here this week.
Hello.
We've had one interesting trip, I'll tell you, from North Dakota to Minnesota to the UP and now to the sand dunes of Silver Lake. We're going to watch 4th of July fireworks and a nice sunset. We've had a great time with all these people back here. I'll tell you what, it just doesn't get any better than this, right?
Yep.
So, with that said,
Do it.
happy glamping.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through